South Arkansas and North Louisiana are home to lush pine forests that play a vital role in our environment. Profit centers for some and playgrounds for others, these forests require maintenance to remain profitable and prosperous. To keep this delicate balance intact, nature has long had its own way of renewal. Prescribed fire, also known as controlled burning, is a technique used by trained professionals to mimic natural fire cycles. It involves intentionally setting fires under controlled conditions, carefully planned to achieve specific goals. Prescribed fire can help recycle nutrients, reduce dangerous fuel load, reduce competition of desirable species, and create a stable ecosystem that is more resilient to wildfires. Not only does prescribed fire help the landscape, it improves conditions for wildlife in several ways. It can increase the amount of native grasses and wildflowers, improve ground cover for wildlife by increasing the forage available, reduce the amount of ticks, improve the amount and diversity of flowers for pollinators, and increase the palatability and protein content of plants. Prescribed fire is not about destroying nature, but instead nurturing it. Prescribed burn associations are groups of landowners who are frequently forming partnerships to pool their resources, knowledge, and equipment to conduct these burns. At their core, PBAs are neighbors helping neighbors get good fire on the ground. If you are interested in conducting a prescribed fire on your property, reach out to your local forester or biologist for help. They are ready and willing to help you find appropriate vendors and partners to accomplish your project. In fact, up to 90% of the costs associated with a prescribed fire could be covered. For more information, go to your local forester, conservationist, or wildlife biologist.